Backstage, Sound of Thunder, Cage Minds. We got Jesus Sanchez with us. Congratulations on the successful pro debut.
Thank you. Thank you very
Tell us about the fight.
What was that?
Tell us about the fight.
Oh, it was a great fight, man. He's a great opponent. He has a hell of a chin, man. I was trying to catch him with that left foot, but that kid, he has a hell of a chin, man.
I heard that you guys had some history at fought in the amateurs.
Yeah, we fought in the amateur twice. I felt like I won the first one, but they gave it to him by split. The second time he did win it, but now with counters and pros. And I mean, I took the first pro, so whenever he wants to rematch it, we could do it again.
What do you think made the difference tonight?
Just my jab. My jab, and I was keeping him at my distance, my range, and my height, to be honest.
And where do you feel that you're improving most now that you've turned pro?
Just my cardio, just fighting smarter, fighting with more distance, throwing more punches, just fighting way smarter now.
So what's the excitement level? You're 1-0.
Oh man, it's great. It feels great. To be honest, it's the greatest feeling. It's the greatest feeling.
Now that one's out of the way, what do you want next?
And whatever comes my way, we'll take it. We'll take it. Whoever wants to fight, that's on my level. We'll take whoever wants to fight.
Probably heard me talk about the fight a minute ago. Thought really it was the third and the fourth round where you started to take over. It seemed like Lorenzo started to slow. Did you feel that in there too?
The first round, well, the third and the fourth, yeah, he started to slow more. I felt like he felt my punches. In the second round, that's where I felt like he felt the hook, and he started to keep more his distance. He didn't want to come in as much as he did in the first.
Awesome, sir. Have a good night.
Thank you.